Okay, so question 4 is about a jack used for raising a car. We have a wheel, it's a winch, which you turn there and it raises this up and down. First part really is looking at y is AEB, so AEB, y is at a right angle. And you can see because these are equal length sides, it is a rhombus, so opposite. So A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Therefore, AC is a right angle. Okay, and that's enough for that. Next part. It gives us a useful hint to sketch ABCD in parts for each case. So what's the length of AC when ABCD is in a square? Okay, so when it's in a square, what we know is that these angles will be the same, and so this is going to be an isosceles. So what we have, part 2, we're going to have 30 centimeters. We're going to have some length here and some length there. Okay, it's going to be the same length. So we can say, using Pythagoras, x squared plus x squared is 30 centimeters squared. Okay, which gives us 2x squared, is 30 centimeters all squared, which is 900 centimeters squared. So x squared is 450 centimeters squared. So x is, again, let's use a calculator. It's going to be about 6.5, you'd guess. So square root of 450. So not 6.5 at all. Is 21.213 centimeters squared. So centimeters to 3 decimal place. That's the police tracking me down for terrible square roots. Part B, so that was part A. Part B, let's get back on the page, is the length of AC when BD is 50. So when you've got BD is 50, so it's 25 units there, and we know that B's roots 30. So what we're going to be looking for, we're going to solve for one right angle triangle and double that length. Okay? This is A, and that's C, and that's B, and that's D. So x is the square root of 900 minus 25 squared. Again, that's through Pythagoras, which is the square root of 25 squared is 625, and if you take that away from 900, you get 275, so the square root of 275, which is 16.583. 2x is double that, which is 33.166. AC, sorry, going off the page again, AC is 33.166 centimeters. Okay. The next question is BD is shortened by 4 centimeters, so that instead of being 50, that's going to be 46. So a similar problem, but we're going to try and work out the difference in this case. So let's new sheet of paper, same diagram. We have 30 again in each case. We're going to be solving for 1. And in this case, if it's moved to 46, these are now 23 each. So x in this case is, we've got the square root of 900 minus 23 squared. Okay, and if we work that out on the calculator, 23 squared is 529. And if we work out that, the square root of 371 is 19.261. Excuse me. Practice what I preach. So the square root of 371 is 19.261 3dp. So the movement is the difference between 19.261. Oops, forgot to double it. This is x, so we need to double that. Okay. 38.523 minus our original answer, which was 3.166, which is 5.357 centimeters. Okay, and it moves up. Great, and that's the end of question 4.